Welcome to another video. My name's Sam and today we are checking out a new head strap. We are checking out the BOBOVR Q3 Pro. Bit of a mouthful, I know. This is a Halo head strap for the Quest 3 and let me show it to you. So here it is. This is the head strap that we are going to be talking about in today's video. Also comes with a battery, so get yourself a drink, get a snack, because this could be a long one. I'm going to show you unboxing, assembly, all of that goodness, and then talking about the head strap itself, its pros, its cons, and giving you my final thoughts. So without further ado, enough chit chat and all that jazz. Let's get on with it, shall we? Game on. So as mentioned, the BOBOVR is a Halo strap for the Quest 3 with a top strap as well. Now let me just talk about some of the features that it has. Like I mentioned, it has a battery pack that connects magnetically, just like the Bobo. You have a ratchet on the back for tightening and loosening. You have padding along, let me just adjust this. You have padding along the top, and what's interesting about this is not only is it just along, you know, the face, it actually comes all the way around the sides as well. So you really get not just support here, but down the sides. And that was something that I noticed straight away when putting this on. So before we go into any further details on this head strap and telling you all the nitty-gritty details, let's unbox this and I'll show you the unboxing and the assembly of putting this all together, and then I'll talk to you about everything that it has to offer and what I found out about it. So let me show you what was in the box and how to put it all together. Okay, so here we have the BOBOVR, the BOBOVR, I guess, Quest 3 Pro head strap. This comes with a battery as well. There are the specifications. On the back, we have easy to install, so it says, which it will be. Strong power supply, gravity balanced. So standard packaging. And inside we have, there we go. So we have, ooh, a nice gloss. Ooh, this is actually, yeah. They didn't skimp on the printing when it comes to the manual. I don't know if the camera will pick this up. There you go. You can see the sheen there. So this is actually a pretty premium print quality. We've got the nice back pad, battery connector all built in, and then the cable itself, USB-C cable there. Just so you can see, there you go, USB-C connector. Then in here, it feels like the battery. It's got some weight to it. So again, USB-C cable and the battery. So put that over there. So it's got a power button. It's got a USB-C port on the top, and I would assume that these are LED indicators for telling you how much charge the battery has. And then obviously the connectors on the back. So here you can see the details for the battery. Has it got any charge? Yeah, there you go. It's got one charge, so I'm going to have to charge this up. Top strap with their branding on. Yeah, decent amount of padding. It's not like over the top. Not entirely sure what this is, because obviously it's Velcro. It can come off. I'll leave it attached for now. So there you go, head strap. And then the actual strap. So this part here is the forehead. And you've got the actual parts that connect to the Quest. As you can see here, it's got a ratchet that I was talking about for moving the Quest in and out of your face. So same on the other side as well. Then the back pad, it's got a ratchet on the back for tightening and loosening. We all know basically what a head strap looks like. That's a head strap. Okay, let's put this together. Okay, so here is my Quest 3. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the facial interface off. Okay, and we're going to attach the sides. So let me just extend these out. And like all head straps, these will usually just clip on. Just literally click it on. So now if we do the ratchet, you can see that's moving up and down nicely. Step 2 is attaching the back piece to here. With a bit of common sense, we've got the hook here, so this is the top. So it will attach like this. Line up this section with the clip that's here. Same on the other side. And just push. There's one. Oh, they both went in together. Perfect. Now, looking at the instructions, I understand what this part's for. This part connects through here to here. Well, not to here, it connects to the Velcro. So this part here goes through here and around the back part. So you got that there. And then this Velcro part connects through here and then Velcros onto the other strap. So let's get this connected. Again, what I like to do is give this a little bit of a pre-roll, and you can just slide it up and just push and it curls around nicely. So let's have a quick look. Is this also attached via Velcro? It is. So you can just peel this away and it reveals the spacing there. Making sure that the padding is down, so design it down. I'm going to thread this through here. Just pull that away, thread it through. That is Velcroed on there. This can then, I Velcroed that the wrong way. I have. Okay, live and learn. Now this attaches. Okay, back attached as well. We're pretty much done. So we have a clip on the side here for cable management. Can I actually just slide that through? No, okay, we'll remove it. I was just seeing if I could cheat. Okay, so that is sorted. We can connect that to there. Ah, it is magnetic. So yeah, there's magnets built into the casing here, and you've got a magnet on the back. Oh, and there. And yeah, that's on. That's not coming off. Get a nice beep with it as well. And of course, I forgot to put on the facial interface, didn't I? Let's put the facial interface back on. You should all know how to do this. Just line it up and push it in. Now we're good. There we go. So the KK Cobb VR head strap. So it's a nice, comfortable looking head strap. And then obviously the battery. Let's take this for a spin, and I'll then report back to you on how comfortable this is and how decent the battery is. So after that initial unboxing, it has been a while, a couple of weeks of me testing this, getting used to it, and coming up with my final thoughts on this head strap. And I have to say, I'm very happy with this head strap. I wasn't entirely sure what I was getting into with this, because it wasn't exactly a name that I was familiar with. A lot of people, you'll know the names Kiwi and Bobo, for example, but KK Cobb VR, I hadn't heard of before. But I was very intrigued because I do like a normal band strap, or whatever you want to call it, with the top support, but I also like a halo strap. They are both very comfortable. I find now that halo straps are more comfortable for me, but they still like slip. I want something that will still have that nice comfort, but then the support of a top strap. And when I saw this combination, I was like, yes, this is now what we're talking about, where you have the actual halo and the support strap. This is fantastic. So let's talk about this and its comfort. The top cushion is very comfortable and supportive, but then you have this that allows you to actually bring up the weight of the headset itself so that it's not on your face. Now, some of that is alleviated with the halo strap, but just having this extra bit of support pulling it up really does help. Back support, again, very comfortable. It doesn't really move too much. It moves a fair amount. So you can see it's got that wobble, so you can have it in different positions and it will cup the back of your head, but it's not, it won't have a huge range of motion. Now, one of the things which is quite unique about this, other than it's a halo strap with the top strap, is that you have these side ratchets. You got one on this side and one on this side that further allow you to adjust how far or close you have the head strap to your face. Now, I found for me the best position was to have it as far in as possible. so that I can move it further away. It takes a bit of fine tuning, depends on the size of your face and what you find comfortable. But I was constantly finding that I was adjusting the back, the front, and the ratchets on here for moving the headset further in and out. Just trying to find that ideal comfort position for me. And once you do have it dialed in, this head strap is extremely comfortable. But yeah, I found that I could get even more immersed because there was that better weight distribution. And one thing that I was extremely impressed about was the battery. Now let's talk about this battery. You do get a battery with the head strap. You only get the one. You have the 1, 2, 3, 4 pip indicators on the top here. So if I press the button once, it'll turn it on. They are literally 4 hours, an hour each pip, if not 5. It depends on what game you're playing. So just in this one battery alone, I tested this, and I can't even remember what game I was playing at the time now. I was playing Golf Plus, and I played Golf Plus for 5 hours before this was empty, and it started using the battery of the headset itself. 5 hours. Now your mileage may vary, but I found 4 to 5 hours just on this battery alone. I was extremely impressed by this. Like you saw, it attaches magnetically. You got the magnets on the back. You got the magnets here as well, and it just attaches. If you don't hear that, just give it a wiggle because it hasn't connected properly. Like it might have. There you go. See, it's not done it. It hasn't aligned properly. So there you go. So there is that. But all in all, this is an extremely comfortable head strap. Now something I've started doing in my video reviews of different head straps is, can I fit my headphones over the top? So I have these Logitech headphones. If I can fit these over a head strap, for me, fantastic head strap, because I get to use these. And I am happy to report that these fit over this. It's not an instant fit where you've got the headset on, you put your headphones on instantly, and it's like, boom, you're done. You do have to adjust it a little bit. It doesn't take long, a little bit of adjustment, and you're done. You don't have to find any workarounds. These will fit over this headset. However, again, please take into consideration everyone's heads are different sizes, different shapes, so your mileage may vary, and you might have different headphones as well. But if you have the same headphones as me, then there's a good chance that they will fit as well. So, would I recommend this head strap? Yes. Yes, I would. This is a fantastic head strap. Previously, I was using the BOBO M3 Pro, not the S Pro, is it called? Yeah, the S Pro. I don't have the S Pro, but I was previously using the M3 Pro. And this has actually replaced it. Not only is it, for me, more comfortable, especially with this top strap as well, the battery lasts longer, which is a big thing. However, I can't compare this battery to the latest BOBO batteries because I have their older versions. Since I got my BOBO head strap, they started shipping out new batteries. You got the B100, which I don't have, so I can't compare this to that. All I can tell you is that this lasts a long time. Yes, I would definitely recommend this head strap. I'll have links down in the description should you want to pick yourself one of these up. But let me know down in the comments what you think of this video, or what you think of this head strap as well. What head strap do you currently have? Are you rocking a BOBO head strap? How are you finding that? Do you have a Kiwi head strap? How are you finding that? Are you tempted to jump over to the KK Cobb VR and give this a spin? But I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future content. And if you've enjoyed this video, you might enjoy these videos as well. But that's really it from me. Until next time, stay safe, have fun, and game on.